We invented Gorilla Glass. Glass so tough, Corning scientists had to invent their own technology just to test it. But for this, we needed to pull out the big guns. Literally. 1.75-inch diameter, pressure-hardened projectiles of solid ice, blasted from a high-pressure pneumatic barrel at 65 miles per hour. Our ice cannon is designed to simulate the hailstorm of all hailstorms. It may seem like overkill, but when designing windshields that can out-tough road hazards, like stones and hail for the famously rugged Jeep Wrangler, it's not time to toy around. Introducing the Mopar Windshield made with Corning Gorilla Glass. Available through your local Jeep dealer.